If you plan to do any traveling this season or this summer, I highly recommend these travel bags from Tripid. They were generous enough to send these to me as a promotional item, and I'm obsessed. I can't wait to go on my trip with them. They all fit into this large bag, which I love for here at home, that I can pack it all together, throw it away in my suitcase, and not have to look at it until I'm ready to pack again. But inside, you get so many pieces. So this first piece, I would say, is their laundry bag. It's a roll top bag that you can clip together, and it is a waterproof material for wet swimsuits, wet shoes, wet clothes that you don't want contaminating the rest of your luggage. So I would pack this empty and come back with my wet swimsuit that wasn't able to dry before I could leave. This is genius. You also get this toiletry bag, which is, and they all have handles on them, which I love, that you can clip it onto a hook in the bathroom or on your cruise ship. And they all are expandable, so it has very good sizing in here if I was to put a couple products, but they all lay flat, which makes it so nice here at home. And then it also comes with the shoe bag, so when you get a pair of shoes in here, it'll expand. Let's try to make it big for you. But how fantastic is that? Throw a pair of, this would fit probably 2 pairs of tennis shoes, I would say. And then you get the small, a medium, and 2 larges. So what I really, really love about these bags is that they have a extendable zipper. So this is just to get your clothes in there, but then if I had thick clothes, which I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna pull out the extender zipper to add that much more depth to the bag. So I set aside 2 of my largest, fluffiest, chunkiest sweatshirts that I have, and we will throw those in here. And this is the cool part. So I'm gonna zip it up normal, but then I wanna take up less space in my luggage. So I am going to then flatten it out by closing the extender. Just kind of squeezing it all together, getting as much air and cushion out as I can. And this goes around the entire bag, full circle. And then you just zip it up, and then it's a little flatter than it was before. So I would fill these with outfits, pants, shirts, tops, anything I could possibly think of, and save so much room in my luggage by using these. And there's so many pieces that I wouldn't have to buy another set. Highly recommend Tripid travel gear. They also come in multiple colors and patterns if this isn't your style, but this is my favorite.